MCW library resources are available to students, faculty, and staff anytime, anywhere, and on any device. This short tutorial will show you how to connect to subscription resources and tools from off-campus using Open Athens and your MCW or other authorized user login credentials. You can access MCW's electronic resources from off-campus, including journals, ebooks, and databases from the MCW Library's homepage. You can view a list of all available journals and ebooks by looking under the Resources tab and clicking on the type of resource that you're interested in. Additionally, many of our most popular databases are accessible directly from the homepage by scrolling down and clicking Search beneath the database name and description, or you can view all available databases here. When off campus, clicking the Search button will send you to the Open Athens login page, where you can log in using your MCW credentials here. If you are another authorized user, such as an employee of Children's Wisconsin, Froedtert, Versity, or otherwise affiliated institution, you must register for an Open Athens account, which is easy and will only take about 1 business day from filling out the form to becoming an authorized user. And there you go. You are now fully prepared to access all resources made available to you by the MCW libraries. Additionally, if you happen to be browsing one of your favorite resources in your browser, looking for a place to access through your institution or access through Open Athens will direct you to the correct pathways for logging in using your institutional access. On this screen, as before, MCW users will log in on the right and other authorized users will enter their Open Athens login information on the left. Questions? Check out our Working Remotely LibGuide. Librarians are also available to help you via chat, email, or by appointment.